Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a new DIY on how to replace a key fob battery of this Jaguar. Okay, I'm gonna explain step by step how to do it. Please, I hope you enjoy this video and it's helpful when you need to replace your key fob battery. So the first step is to push this little part where it says Jaguar. Okay, has a little arrow right there, so you can push. Okay, this part is out. Okay, and then remove the emergency key, which I'm gonna use to remove this part. So simple. Okay, right there. Once it's removed, you can remove the battery. Probably you're gonna need the help of a little screwdriver. So put in the corner, push a little bit, little bit. Battery is out. Okay, the battery number is CR2032, which is this. Okay, in this case I'm not gonna replace the battery. The purpose of this video is to show you how to do it. Okay, you have to put it back the same way. You remove it. Okay, push a little bit. Once it's in place, you can put it all the parts in the same way you will remove. Okay, first this part, click, done. Okay, the next part, the emergency key, put it back in the same place. Okay, the next part, this cover, done. Okay guys, if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Please stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much.